Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to update LocalSend on your device step by step. Keeping LocalSend updated ensures you have the latest features, security improvements, bug fixes, and the best compatibility with your other devices. So let's get started. First, open the LocalSend app on your device. Depending on the version you're using, check the Settings, About, or Help section to see if there's a Check for Updates option. If an update is available, simply follow the on-screen instructions to download and install the latest version. If your version doesn't include a built-in update feature, open your web browser and visit the official LocalSend website or the official GitHub releases page. Download the latest version that's compatible with your operating system. I mean, if you installed LocalSend from the Microsoft Store, Google Play Store, Apple App Store, or another package manager, you can update it directly through that platform instead. Once the update has been downloaded, run the installer or install the update from your App Store. Follow the on-screen instructions, and if prompted, allow the application to make changes to your device. The update usually completes within a minute. After the installation finishes, launch LocalSend again and verify that you're running the latest version. You can also send a small test file between two devices to make sure everything is working correctly after the update, and that's it. You now know how to update LocalSend and keep it running with the latest features and improvements. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.